In today's video, I'm going to show you how to link QuickBooks to Claude so you can analyze financial data, summarize reports, and get AI-powered insights in just a few simple steps. First, sign in to your Claude account and open a new chat. Then, click the paperclip or attachment button to upload a QuickBooks report you've exported, such as a profit and loss statement, balance sheet, or transaction list. If you're using a workflow automation tool that connects QuickBooks directly to Claude, sign in to your QuickBooks account, authorize the connection, and choose the company file you want to use. Once the connection is complete, you'll be able to send your QuickBooks data to Claude automatically. After your data is available, simply ask Claude what you'd like to analyze. For example, you can request a summary of your monthly expenses, identify unusual transactions, compare financial performance over time, or explain trends in your reports. And that's it. You've successfully linked QuickBooks to Claude and are ready to use AI to better understand your business finances. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.